welcome back to the vlog. Today we've had quite the morning. I'm not gonna lie, we're a little bit scared right now. Alana and I just picked up the rental car and we're in Auckland. We're gonna start our little road trip for the rest of our New Zealand adventures, and this is her first time driving on the right side of the car.
Left side, right side.
Yeah, you're on the right. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be fine. We're running on no food, no caffeine. So we're gonna find a place outside of the city and get something to munch on. But pray for us, guys. We're a little scared. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is why I want to drive on the back roads.
You're doing so good. I'm so proud. All right, guys, we made it to the breakfast spot, and Alana absolutely killed that.
I keep reaching here to like put it into gear. And sister's not there.
It's like rewiring your brain. It's the weirdest thing ever.
Wait, let's reverse.
So,
the big button.
guys, my friends Logan and Nathan just sent me a video. They're in Canada right now on spring break, and they're in a shopping mall, and Sour Strawberries just casually playing in the background.
Logan, Caroline, holy shit, listen. Holy shit. Oh my god.
We're definitely off the beaten path, that's for sure. What are you craving? Coffee, matcha, flat white?
If they have a chai.
Ooh.
Today's a good day.
Today's a good day for a chai.
Hey, do you cook here?
Yes, please. Well, this just looks absolutely delicious. I ended up getting an iced latte with almond milk and cinnamon. We ended up both doing the Happy Farmer, so bacon, over medium eggs, toast, bratwurst, hash browns, and mushrooms.
We switched.
I don't really know if we're allowed to do this. I really wanted to try driving, and I feel like I'm driving my first car that I ever had. On road.
I am not the best driver.
No, you were doing good. You were doing really good.
It's okay, but we were like in absolute danger. It's just I'm not good with directions. I'm not good at driving.
We added a little bit of time. We missed a couple of exits. It's fine.
The way I structured the map, if you know those Google Map users, is I put in no toll roads and no highways, which limits us to this glorious countryside.
I was telling Alana that something that I really wish America did was not just build infrastructure everywhere, because there's so much greenery, there are so many trees. I don't think I've ever seen as many trees in my life.
I mean, it's also surprising that you're saying that because you're from the boonies of Idaho. And
yeah, I mean, Boise is known for being the city of trees, and like there is a lot, but still, I just feel like New York, I would rather be out here than New York.
This window wiper, that's the window wiper. Now I know how Caroline felt. Oh my gosh. We're going to a little coastal town called Waihi. W-A-I-H-I.
Why are we yelling? Why are we yelling?
We're gonna hang out, walk around. I know they have a couple cute cafes and bookstores, so we'll walk around. We'll probably hit the beach if the sun decides to peek out, and then we're gonna go to our Airbnb.
She's yelling, guys. She's yelling.
And it's gonna be like a cute little like glamping. And what I mean by glamping, it's like really like luxury camping on the riverbank, and it's gonna be super cute, super fun. So yeah, and then we're thinking about getting like some groceries.
We might do a little
camp out. Kelly hopped behind the wheel and she's a natural, so she's definitely done this in like a past life.
The only thing that worries me is all the signs. The one that said it was the left side of the road, and I was like, girl, where? I feel like we can breathe because we finally made it, and honestly, the drive was not even that bad. But we stopped at this little bakery place. What's it called?
It's called the Refinery.
The Refinery, and they have so many cute little things, like lots of local marmalades, sauces, like this Japanese style sauce. I just love looking around, but I also ended up getting a chia seed and lemon loaf, and I'm gonna go try it. Okay, I have to text my boyfriend and let him know that I just freaking drove on the other side of the road, because I think he'll be so proud of me. We just arrived at our little Airbnb and oh my gosh, cute is an understatement. To paint the scene, there's 3 different things going on. First, we have this little house, which is where we'll be staying. This is our beautiful room, so cozy. Honestly, perfect size for Alana and I. Then we have the bathroom here, which I'll show you guys, and then we have the little kitchen. This concept of the bathroom, super cool. I've never seen anything like this. We've got an outdoor shower and then a bathtub here, but the best part is that there's a bed of rock. The water just seeps through. Then there's a bathroom over there, but I think it's one where you have to like go in the ground. It's raining hard also. And then this is our little kitchen area, which is perfect. We bought all of those things for the charcuterie board tonight. But is this not the cutest kitchen that you've ever seen? This is my kind of glamping. We're planning on getting cozy tonight and just staying in because it is gonna be really, really rainy for the next like 4 hours. But there are kayaks here. Good news, guys, they have a speaker. You already know we're playing music. Alana just took a shower. Experience nature.
10 out of 10, best shower of my life. It's a little like cute, like outdoor shower.
Did you just mock me? No.
Sad times.
It's okay.
Is that the charger up there? See that little pathway there, that tunnel? Go straight through there and down this sketchy but yet magical pair of mud step, and then it opened up to like the riverfront. And there were some paddle boards, kayaks. Yeah. Hey, look how cute Caroline looks.
Guys,
and her little glamping outfit.
I'm so excited for dinner tonight. We kind of got a whole Mod Podge of things, and it's gonna be fire because look at this, like, name a better seating area. I see Alana's back there.
Bad things happen when you connect to it.
You
Kidding.
should have downloaded Moana.
I did.
You did?
You're dead? Of course. Moana 2 coming to you.
Moana 2 watch party. We also have popcorn.
I'm about to go drop the kids off of that compost. Compost closet. What's the equivalent? You know how men go like, I'm gonna go shake hands with the president when they need to go piss?
Someone was like,
what's the equivalent for a woman? What do they go say?
I was like,
A squeeze a lemon? Is that what it is?
No, it was something about dropping the kids off.
Yeah, dropping the kids off the pool.
Yes.
But that's like taking a dump.
I don't know. Guys, Alana and I realized on this trip that we have pretty much the same music taste. That's what she wants to tell herself.
Mine's like that.
Sorry if it's so loud and you can barely hear. We went in the smelliest Uber today. I actually thought I was gonna die. Alana opened the door and I go, it was so bad.
I couldn't even.
Alright, let's get this.
Maybe you're the problem.
Respectfully. Disrespectfully. Obviously we had to get Kalamata olives. These are the best ones and they're actually from Greece. I would hope so. Serious popcorn, certified organic, sweet and salty. Alana,
look at the branding.
Yeah, the branding is
anything with a bear. It gets me. I don't care.
Okay, then we got cracked pepper water crackers. These are my favorite kinds of crackers. Reminds me of my parents and their love for charcuterie boards. Okay, then we had to get Italian salami.
Dude, I can't do this when I have to poop.
Okay, then go poop! Go! We also drove so far to get here. We drove down this really long dirt path, so I don't think we're gonna have to worry about the safetiness because no one's gonna find us out here, I can promise you that. We went to this bakery and we got garlic and chives, Mercer cheese. Oh my god. The bathroom is right on the other side of here. I don't know if this is a good thing. Providence Pantry. This is the place that we got it from. And then we also got different salami. This is New Zealand salami. So it feels a lot harder. So we're gonna have to slice this girl thin. Last but not least, we're deciding between what kind of chocolate we wanted to do. And I've actually had Whittaker's before. I've had their like crunchy toffee caramel flavor. I don't really know what exactly it's called, but my friend KK is actually from New Zealand and she brought it back along with Tim Tams last time that she went. So I love the brand Whittaker's, but I haven't tried this one yet. Sea salt and caramel brittle with saffron and dark chocolate. Let's construct this together and make it look all pretty. Plate, plate, plate. I spy marshmallows. we got so far. Both salamis here, the cheese here, and then crackers. It is so loud because of this rain. I cannot hear anything. Only problem is I cannot seem to open up this Kalamata olives jar. Sometimes if you like hit it against something, I think it does it. No way! That just worked. She's perfect. I think I'm gonna make some tea before Alana gets back. There's chamomile, and then there's also sleep. It's another one. Oh, we've got black tea as well. If I recall, I think she also likes chamomile too. So we're gonna do that. Alana and I are literally having a throwback session right now. So we were in here and we're just chatting like, what songs did we like during 2019?
No, we were looking at
Oh wait, no, Felix. We're looking at Felix's page. I don't know if Felix Wood watches my videos anymore, but he and I used to be homies on Instagram, and he has this song called Watercolor Paper that Alana and I used to bump to in the car. Like back when he first started being an artist.
It was like his first drop.
It was his first drop, and it like has 7 million views or 7 million streams, so it did really well. Looked it up, and then I was calling out songs and I was like, no, I think that was during our 2019 era together. She's like, no. So she pulled up the receipts, she pulled up the freaking playlist, and Phases is on there. Same thing with Daydreaming,
Jack and Jack.
Jack and Jack.
What else?
Yeah, what else? Boise, lots of Boise on there.
Boise, literally queen.
What's the Star? Is it Star on there?
There's that whole playlist, the Cosmic.
Yeah.
Cosmic, what is it?
Oh my gosh. Alana and I, we had a lot of different phases with songs, and now we've grown a lot. I feel like our taste in songs now is nothing compared to what we had before.
This whole album. Oh, I know which one. I
Fly, Paradise.
Yes!
Or Caught in the Fire.
No.
We've been caught in the fire.
Yeah, what?
Hollywood. Coda.
The Friend.
Coda the Friend. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. If you go listen to him, put you on. Literally the drive to freaking Florida.
This was literally the drive.
Oh my gosh. Florida. Everybody remembers the Seaside vlog.
Everyone remembers Seaside.
At first,
I was in the spit. The other mother somewhere relevant. Oh yeah.
I already opened it. Caroline hasn't seen it.
Did you eat it?
No. I just opened it and
Oh.
I just wanted to do a bigger reveal, so here it is. Wait.
We do love our chocolate.
New Zealand Artesian Chocolate Collection, Whitaker's.
Try to say this word.
Marlboro.
I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't say it.
Marlboro sea salt and caramel brittle with saffron. Caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Thank you.
What do you guys say? Caramel or caramel?
Do you know we will divide the internet with that question?
What about pecans? I know some people say pecans.
If you say peckin.
No.
If you say peckin.
No, if you say
Call me.
praline.
Goodbye. Okay, but packaging is so cute. Scrapping for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Don't throw it away. She tried to throw away my scrapbooks.
This morning when we were cleaning up the Airbnb, I literally was like doing all the trash. I'm like throwing it all away. And she goes, "Don't throw away my bag."
I'm like, that's my scrapbook stuff. It's not trash.
I'm being my mom.
Yeah. Anyway, it's like a Willy Wonka bar with a golden ticket.
Mm-hmm. Dreamy thing ever. I want this in my house now. Good job.
Okay,
Good job.
Break it.
Ready?
Ooh, yeah.
Good break. Cheers. Okay. Guys, we're allergic to everything. We've had to be so annoying on this trip to every waiter. Wait, this is really good.
We both have like 6 allergies.
Yeah, we're so allergic to everything.
This is the interior. With all the little nuggies in there. Oh, it keeps focusing on her
saffron?
face. Girl, you don't know what saffron is?
No. Is that saffron?
No. Yes. Saffron is a luxury spice.
Okay, we're gonna watch Moana. Bye, guys.
Moana 2.
Moana grew up.
Don't spoil
Wait,
it for
she
them.
looks so different. What?
Hey, stop.
She's got eyeliner now.
Cause up until yesterday you were a memory in a bottle, washed away before I went away to college. I safely stored you away, so why not try